Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. You've probably been directed here from the app site. This is a channel I've decided to make as a tutorial for Soccer Manager, the app. It's available in the App Store now. It should be version 1.1. It's only 99 cents, so it's about the price of a stick of gum. Um, I wanted to make it free, but then I decided I didn't want ads or microtransactions. So, one-time payment of 99 cents will get you the entire game and all future updates. So let's get started. Here we have the introduction page. Right now I only have the continue new game options, but later I'll add more. So let's start a new game. So yes, we're gonna sure. And we're just gonna enter our team name as team. And so the first thing that comes up is the home page, and you get this box where Clyde, your assistant, introduces you to the club and welcomes you. And first things first, you should enter your name. So I'm just going to type in name. It's not really important right now, but just for demonstration purposes. And Clyde also wants to know what you want to name your stadium. So I'll just call it Stadium for now. Okay, thanks Clyde. And again, this is the home page. This is where you'll be doing most of the things in the game. The advanced button will be most important on this page, but there are some other cool things like statistics. I won't go too into those now, but we'll take a look at the advanced page. So here we can see the team matchups for the week, and it looks like we'll be playing Crystal Palace in the first week. It even shows each team's level, rank, record, points a week. These boxes over here with the lines will be for home and away scores, so you can see who on your team scored. This is where your stadium name goes, and it also shows you the attendance that this game is going to have. We don't have to simulate the match right now because I want to look at our team first, obviously. So let's go to squad down here, and we're going to view our squad. And as you see here, there's a assortment of players in a variety of situations and positions, each with their own level, rating, goalkeeper rating, etc. And what's unique about these players is when you click on them, you can look at their stats page, and each player has a level, and they gain experience through matches, training, and other things. They each have a rating for the field, a personality up here. Sven Heron's personality is determined. Again, these are all randomly generated names and player images. Where you see the 3 question marks is actually where the player's best position would go. So if Sven Heron was best as a center midfielder, according to his stats, which by the way you can view down here, it would say CM. He's also a young talent, as you can see, but he's not very good yet. He's only a 5 out of 20 rating. What's cool about this page, though, is you can view all of the players' stats, including things for goalkeeping, which Sven probably won't need because it doesn't look like he's a goalkeeper. But you can also look at their stats on this picker view and decide where to spend your level up points. Each time a player levels up, he earns a point to spend towards leveling up his attributes. So you can, like, for instance, if you had a level up point, you could select speed and click improve stat. Right now, Sven Heron doesn't have enough points because he didn't level up. But once you play a game or two, you should have level up for everyone and be able to spend those points. With this level up system, you can craft players to different positions as you please. As you can see here, Nick Hernandez is actually he's a leadership personality, and he's also best at center midfielder, and that is reflected in his position over here. You have a couple right backs here too, but most players for now, because they're such low level, they don't really have a preferred position or best position. You can stick them pretty much anywhere. The exception being, you should probably put your goalkeepers, denoted by their goalkeeper rating, in the goalkeeper slot. At the moment, Sven Heron could play goalie, but he probably wouldn't be too good. These goalkeepers have poor field stats, but as you can see, their goalie stats are much better. And that's just the general overview of the squad. You also have an inbox where Clyde can send you emails. He's just sending us an email system check here. Competitions will be coming later in version 2.0, but I'll definitely add those. Right now it's just the Premier League that you're battling it out in. Schedule will show you all the teams that you're going to play throughout the year and the result of the game. Right now it's TBD, which means to be determined for each match, obviously, because you haven't played it yet. You also have your standings here. It's just a very simple standings table. See each team's record and their points. And you can also see statistics. You can look at top score for the league, most assists for the league, best team offenses, defenses. You can also look at your team's individual top scorers and top assisters. So that's a pretty cool feature. Under squad, you have other things like tactics you can view. You can change your formation. And when you do so, this graphic will pop up showing I selected a 4-4-2 in here. So the tactics we have selected are 4-4-2. So that's pretty cool. You should also save your formation when you're sure you want to use it. And for playstyle, we'll just do a standard playstyle. Oh, select that. Okay. And over here, you can see each player and where they are on the field. If you click on them, a list will come up with their level and all of their attributes in an easy-to-view format. So this way, you can also determine if you go back to your squad view. It's just another way of selecting who plays where. So first things first, I'm actually going to bring Bjorn Doherty. Whoops. Oh, that was weird. Okay, I'm going to bring Bjorn Doherty all the way up to goalkeeper. And right now his goalkeeper rating is 1. But as soon as you play a game, it'll go up to like 4 or 5 or 6. Just depends. Okay. And yeah, again, as you saw, to edit the team, you can just click edit here, and this bar will pop up. You hold it down, and you can move them around. So we're going to put Cristiano Poston at right back. We're going to put Hernandez at center midfield. Seems to be able to fit that. We also have Xavier Suresh. He's best at center back, so I think I'll put him there. Let's put him at right center back. And move these guys around. I'll probably play Matthew Suresh at left back, just because it looks like you can play right back, so we can probably play left back too. Move these around again. Move him around. And okay, that should be enough tinkering for now. I just want to demonstrate how you can do that. Also under squad, you have coaching, training, youth academy, squad history, which you can look into if you want, but I won't go into too much detail. You also have a transfer center where you can buy and sell players. Club, which you can see everything about your club right now. You can also improve your stadium. At the start, it's only 5,000 people, but you can improve that. Also at the top here, it shows the number of fans that your club has and the confidence that your fans have in you running the club. Over here on the right, you have the amount of money you have available, and you also have the date. Okay, so now we have our squad set, our tactics set. We can go play a game. So we're facing Crystal Palace right now. We're only level 4 and they're level 14, so they're probably going to beat us. The match engine is basically dependent on each team's level, which itself is dependent on a variety of factors, including squad rankings. So let's simulate the match. And it looks like we lost 1-4. But that's okay, because Crystal Palace was pretty good, and it was our first match. Okay, so we can head back. And actually what's cool, if you look under standings, all the standings are updated. It's pretty standard, but statistics, you can see all the league scores, league assisters, and you can see which teams had the best offenses. Crystal Palace scored 4 on us, so they have one of the better offenses. Also see the best defenses. A lot of teams didn't even concede that week. Team top scorers, DeAndre Smith, and Roberto Svensson is the one who assists them. Okay, so that's basically all there is to this game, but one of the key features is, another feature is, as you can see here, Doherty and Xavier Suresh got suspensions during that game. Same with Eric Patel. There's quite a few suspensions, probably a pretty frustrated first game. But you see this yellow status where they're normally their level rating position would be. It's just normally black. If you click on that player, that means they leveled up. So as you can see, Matthew Thresh is now level 2. And that means you have a point to spend towards their attributes. And if you look at his attributes, you can see, like, oh, he's pretty good. I wonder where I should spend it. Well, if he's already a right back, you want to spend things that usually right backs would use. So, for instance, marking, stand tackling, and slide tackling are key attributes for outside backs. So I think, but then again, his jumping is also very poor. So I think I'll improve his jumping. So as you can see, jumping is now 2. And if you update that, yep, no more points available, but his jumping went up. Okay, cool. And that's just how the level up system works. You can explore more throughout this game, but again, I just want to make this video as a demonstration for how you could possibly play this game. There's a lot more work that went into this game than you might think, but I appreciate you watching this video, and good luck.